Boy, Easter bunnies hooked you guys up, huh?
Oh, and what's these? Peanuts!
You don't even like peanuts.
Yeah, I do.
Michael, you like peanuts?
Those are cool.
What's small in the grass?
You got more stuff in the grass?
Daddy, look! There's the sister Hello Kitty and the mommy kitty and the...
Whoa.
There's one for you, Mommy.
Oh, one for me? Thank you.
Oh.
Oh, how sweet.
I wonder what... It sounds like there's something in there.
Let's see.
Let's see what's in it. Hold on, you gotta kind of tilt it over sideways. Whoa.
Mommy! Jumping beans!
Jumping beans.
I love jumping beans.
Got chocolate in there. Yummy. Michael, what's in there?
Mommy, look!
That's like yummy. Here, Michael.
No,
you want to open yours?
Mommy.
No, you don't want to open them? Okay. No,
Mommy, look!
That's,
Jumping beans!
Jumping beans, cool.
Happy Easter.
Happy
Later,
Easter,
that's right.
everyone!
Lightning McQueen, that's right. Who's this?
This is
Lightning McQueen, that's right.
Michael.
Fun day ever.
Michael, say Happy Easter.
Look!
Yeah, Michael. Michael, say Happy Easter.
Mommy, look! No.
Well, we can share. It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Maybe BB's like orange.
Yeah.
And what's in the...
Michael.